Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. Today I will talk about cryptocurrency. It is a little bit too late for now, but I still can see many cryptos participants still don't know about how it works. How cryptos are adopted by institutions is still confused for me. There are many cryptocurrencies have been introduced in the market. The top is still the oldest one, Bitcoin coded by BTC. BTC is a decentralized peer-to-peer payment system with its limited supplies that has been fixed to maximums 21 millions. Since it has been limited supply, Bitcoin is believed can be used to protect value against inflation. Everything seems good, Bitcoin is performing well. In the beginning, Bitcoin was used as payment instruments. There were times Bitcoin is accepted as a legal tender for economic activities such as buying food, hotel accommodation, and capital lending. Bitcoin becomes popular after having more and more adopters. Since Bitcoin is a decentralized system, Bitcoin has no controller. It runs openly. That market decides the fate. It was sounded good in the beginning, promoting fairness and equality for everyone. The question is whether this is still a good platform to promote equality and safety. We have to analyze how Bitcoin works for now. Unlike stock market, Bitcoin has no real value. In stock market, even when the price is highly speculated, there is market capitalization that will determine the value of stock. Profit and loss will accompany the journeys of price movement. The up and down of the price will generally follow the company's performance as along the time. So trading stock market will be easier since we have material to analyze the company. How's about Bitcoin? Based on its characteristic, Bitcoin is categorized as commodity. Commodity is highly speculated instrument based on its functionality, supply, and demand. A commodity usually has specific characteristics such as independence, certainty, accountability, strong fundamental purpose, limited or controlled supply. The same to other commodities such as metal and energy. I'm not someone who against Bitcoin, but for me, Bitcoin is still too young, has no solid scenario in economy. That makes Bitcoin a pure speculation instrument. This also makes Bitcoin highly volatile. Bitcoin is believed to be useful as value storage instrument. That means it's protect our wealth from inflation. Unlike gold, Bitcoin lack of physical form. Bitcoin is protected by 16 phrases in a wallet. When we lose the 16 phrases, the supply will also be lost. However, whoever has the key can access the wallet and claim the value. It becomes the advantage or disadvantage by itself. Bitcoin has created under a spirit of freedom. Experiences from the past making movement to have an independent financial system of our own. The question is Bitcoin or blockchains the solutions? Let's see how Bitcoin is traded nowadays. We have to look at Bitcoin's community. In Bitcoin community, there are two participants, miner and users. Miner is participants who involve in community as coin creator. They need to invest machine to mine new Bitcoin. This activity will add Bitcoin supply in the market. Bitcoin is rewarded to them as payment for their invested machines. Miners run the machines, have to pay electricity and other bills monthly. The miner will generate profit when they can sell their new mined coins in the market. Actually, this will be the basis to define the actual value of a Bitcoin. When miner can sell a Bitcoin above their production cost, they will have a good profit. Otherwise, they will suffer from a loss. The question, do they make profit? Based on Bitcoin market data, Bitcoin production cost is very high. That means mining Bitcoin is not always profitable. Nowadays, miners have to wait until Bitcoin up above their production cost to sell. When Bitcoin doesn't go up, they cannot sell. That means more miners will have to stop operation when the situation is getting worse. Furthermore, there is Bitcoin halving scenario, meaning the difficulty to produce Bitcoin will be twice harder than before. This will pump up Bitcoin production costs. When Bitcoin adoption is getting wider, the increase of Bitcoin production costs won't be a problem. The real challenge is Bitcoin need momentum to upgrade its value. In 2024, Bitcoin fell due to mega fraud in cryptocurrency world. It became chain reaction to the collapse of institutions that had relation with Bitcoin. After crisis, Bitcoin is started to be used as a value storage acquisitions by companies. From here, the fate of Bitcoin has changed. Later, Bitcoin has its ETF-linked instrument. This makes Bitcoin's rush we have today. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.